What if I told you that you could eliminate manual due date calculations, never miss another payment follow-up, and send professional collections emails automatically, all while saving your team hours every month? In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build intelligent financial collections automations in Monday.com that ensure no overdue payments ever slip through the cracks again. Welcome back to AllDayIT's Finance Tips and Tricks for Monday.com. I'm Steve Escott, founder of AllDayIT and a Monday.com authorized partner. This is the second video in our series where we explore practical ways to leverage Monday.com for financial workflows and business operations. Click subscribe to get notified when I release new videos that will help you and your team power up your Monday.com experience. Before we get to today's topic, just a quick reminder to check out AllDayIT.com, where you can learn more about AllDayIT and let us know more about how we can help you by filling out our Contact Us form. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create intelligent payment process automations that'll calculate due dates, update payment statuses, and send professional email notifications, all without any manual intervention. These automations will save your team hours every month and ensure that no overdue payments slip through the cracks. For anyone coming in fresh, here's a quick recap of what we've done so far. In our first video, we solved Monday.com's fundamental CRM template limitations by adding the appropriate columns to track incoming payments and calculate outstanding balances. We also built a foundation using sub-items for payment tracking and automated balance calculations that could trigger Monday.com automations. Now that we have that solid footing in place, it's time to dive into the first automation that'll transform how your team handles payment deadlines. Let's start with automatically calculating due dates based on payment terms. The foundation for this automation requires several prerequisite fields and automated processes working together, such as a payment terms number column in the accounts board to store the number of days that a client is allowed to arrange payment after receiving their invoice, a mirror column in the deals board to display the payment terms from a deals connected account, and a local payment terms column. This is crucial because mirror columns can't be used in all automations or by all marketplace apps that rely on formula changes. This is a complicated topic, and it's beyond the scope of this video, but you can just reach out via the contact form below or the one on AllDayIT.com, and I'd be happy to discuss offline. We also needed to add an invoice date column in the deals board and a due date formula column there as well. Now here's the sequence of automations involved. When a deal is created with its connected account, the payment terms are displayed in its mirror column. A separate automation copies mirror column data to the local payment terms number column. Now, I use one of the many copy-paste apps in the marketplace for that purpose. When an invoice date is entered, like for example, June 11th, our formula column automatically adds the payment terms, 60 days, to calculate the due date, August 10th. The result is then synced to the regular due date column. This multi-step automated approach eliminates manual calculations and ensures consistency. But just notice, we needed both mirror and local columns to make the automation work reliably. Now, the next automation is the payment status automation. Much like the other automations, it requires several supporting fields and calculations. The first thing we'll need is a days until due formula column, which calculates the difference between today and the due date. The next thing we'll need is a balance column showing the outstanding amount from the sub-items payment tracking system discussed in the first video of the Finance Tips and Tricks for Monday.com series. We're also going to need a payment status column, again, as you saw in the previous video, so that's there too. And a local email column whose content is automatically copied, again, using one of the marketplace copy-paste apps, from the account email mirror column affiliated with the account that's selected for this deal in order to allow for automation compatibility. Once we have all these things, we can run the automation. Our automation monitors these specific conditions: whether the days until due is either less than, equal to, or greater than 0, whether the balance is less than 0, or money is owed, whether the payment status is not already set to where it needs to be based on the current conditions. Now, why do we need this one? Because checking for this condition simply prevents unnecessary automation runs, which is something that any Monday.com account holder or admin really needs to keep their eye on. When all the conditions are met, the system automatically changes the payment status and triggers an email notification. That conveniently pulls any relevant information right from the item row in Monday. The key insight here is that we needed the days until due formula column as an intermediary. The straight Monday.com automation couldn't directly compare today to the due date. They just don't have that option in the automation center. But it can trigger based on plain numerical conditions of greater, equals, and less than. So we had to create this calculated field first as a formula column and then sync it to a number column using a marketplace app. All right, great. So now let's move on to automated customer email notifications. The automated emails include the deal number, automatically pulled from the deal's Monday.com item ID, the customer name, automatically populated from the contact field affiliated with the account connected to the deal, the payment amount, and due date. We also add on any custom messaging that you want the email to have. Just as an FYI, while I chose to show you how to use the more simple Gmail automation, for enhanced communications, Monday.com CRM Products Sequences feature offers advanced formatting, signatures, and branded templates, creating a seamless and professional experience all around. By implementing these automated solutions, you'll eliminate manual due date calculations with automated formulas, never miss payment follow-ups with automated status triggers, send professional, consistent communications automatically, and reduce administrative overhead significantly through automation. But we're just getting started. In our next video, I'll show you how to take this foundation even further with advanced deal creation workflows and powerful collections analytics that can transform how your finance team manages customer relationships. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe below for more AllDayIT Monday.com videos. My background in financial operations helps me design Monday.com based systems that address real-world collections challenges while leveraging Monday.com's full automation potential. Ready to implement these powerful automated systems in your Monday.com? Contact AllDayIT today using the contact form link below or the one at alldayit.com, and I'll help you build an automated financial system that eliminates repetitive tasks and dramatically increases your team's productivity.